SuperMindz.
Hey kids! Today we're sharing awesome tips to help you have fun and stay productive in the garden. 1. Wear proper clothing. Wear comfortable clothes and gloves to protect yourself. 2. Use sun protection. Always wear a hat and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water while you're working in the garden. 4. Choose the right tools. Use kid-sized tools that are easy to handle. 5. Learn about plants. Know which plants you're growing and what they need. 6. Prepare the soil. Make sure the soil is healthy by adding compost and turning it over. 7. Plant at the right time. Plant seeds and seedlings at the best time of year for your area. 8. Water regularly. Water your plants regularly, but be careful not to overwater. 10. Observe insects. Learn about helpful insects like bees and butterflies and be cautious of the harmful ones. 11. Trim your plants. Trim plants to help them grow better and produce more flowers or fruit. 12. Use organic fertilizers. Feed your plants with natural fertilizers to keep them healthy. 13. Harvest at the right time. Pick fruits and vegetables when they're ripe and ready. 14. Recycle and compost. Use kitchen scraps and garden waste to make compost. 15. Respect wildlife. Be careful of birds, bugs, and other creatures living in your garden. 16. Learn about seasons. Different plants grow in different seasons, so learn what to plant when. 17. Learn to identify plants. Know the names and characteristics of the plants in your garden. 18. Enjoy the process. Gardening is not just about the results. Enjoy every step. And last but not the least, have fun. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy spending time in your garden.
If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.